What's up guys, and welcome back to Athena's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the license plate lights on the Tundra. Let's get right into it. So first things first here, these are the LEDs we're going with. Shout out to LastFit for sending me these things. They are a 194 or 168 bulb replacement. Here's all the little information here. So if you want to get a pair of these, use code Athena at checkout at lastfit.com. Let's get to installing them. Installation for these things are extremely simple, especially if your truck is a little bit lifted like mine. You literally can just slide underneath here and twist the tabs on the back of the lights here, just the little plugs, and the bulb should be accessible. So let's get underneath there and change them out. Okay, hopefully you can see what I mean here. I'm on the ground and right up above the hitch. So here's our hitch. Right up in here is a little plug. All you do is twist it counterclockwise, if you can get your hand in here, and wiggle. Pulls right out. Now we have access to the bulb. Now that we have access, just get a firm grasp, pull the bulb out, and let's replace it with an LastFit LED. Get it right up here and just kind of give it a little tug, make sure it goes in. Now we're going to go to the truck and make sure this thing is actually working. I don't think they're polarity sensitive. It says no polarity, so I should be able to put it in anyway, but we're always going to double check because I don't want to have to come back underneath here. All right, the light is bright and shining. Let's get this other one out so we can kind of give it a comparison here. So here is the LastFit LED, and hopefully you can see this over here. Here is the stock halogen bulb. Right there. It's a pretty big difference in brightness. So to put these back up, you simply slide them back in and twist clockwise on the plug, and it should just pop right back in. This side's in, now let's go to the other side. Same exact process, just twist and pull. Our bulb is now free. Get a good grasp, pop it in, and your new LED should immediately light up. I don't recommend doing this with your lights on. And just get it aligned up in here. Might be a little tight, and twist, lock it in, and we are good to go. Even in the daylight, these things are significantly brighter. I will throw in some B-roll footage here in a second, so get ready for that. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully it was really short. It's super easy to do this. I mean, literally anyone can do it. If your license plate lights are out, it's a super easy fix to do, and why not upgrade to some nice LEDs? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, use code Athena at checkout at lastfit.com, and consider subscribing and liking this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I have a lot more stuff coming out for this Tundra, theoretically, because I still need to plan some things, and I'm trying to post at least one video a week. It's getting a little bit difficult, but I'm trying to stick up with it, keep up with it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. That's gonna be it. Have a nice day. Bye.